Hey guys, Pepper in the Woods here. This is video number 2 of my Gearbest review of some of their products. Today we're going to review a knife. It's a nice little folder. I can't say the proper name, but it's an SH folding knife with frame lock. It's on there for £7.56. I paid £6 at the time of purchase, but so it's a nice little lock. I mean, you know, I'm not good at flipping them because I only have one other knife, which is a Rat 2, and that's not really a fair comparison because it's really a lot bigger than that. But I said I want a second folding knife that locks, just to throw in my bag, lightweight, and nice little belt clip. But let's go desktop now. I'll show you some specs. So it's a 2.5-inch blade. There's your little logo there. Does have lanyard hole. It is a liner lock. Nice, easy design. Thumb stud on both sides. Belt clip, which can only go on one side of it. That's the groove here. That I can only assume is for undoing this clip if you need to. So just let me know if you know what that is for. I'm trying to get the light right. Light's everywhere at the moment in here. There. So I'm not good at flicking these open, by the way. I don't play with them enough. The jimping on top, I'm not sure if you can see it there, it's not that bad because a lot of it goes into the frame, so it's not overly aggressive or anything. You don't even notice it's there, honestly. So can do your little bushcraft stuff. You want to keep it in your bob bag, or it's up to you, bushcraft bag. But because it's a liner lock, it is UK and legal, so just keep that in mind. So final thoughts, I do like it. I'm going to give it a nice test. I don't think I'm going to have to worry about sharpening it. It came out of the box really sharp, so quite happy with that. Yeah, I'm happy. So that's good for me. One of the things I like about Gearbest is that when they deliver the package to you, it's all in one package. So when you finally get your kit you ordered, it's all there, which is nice because you do wait a bit of time, like you do with any overseas thing. But some other companies, they send you place your order and it goes out one item at a time. And if you order like 5-10 items, you'll end up getting them for months, you know, at different locations, and it's just pain. So yeah, I'm happy with that. But yeah, £6, not bad. Like I said, just check your laws if you're gonna buy one. Again, if you know what that little groove is for, I can only think of it as for there. Is it for getting your finger in there to pull it open? That's what I can think about. But yeah, no, nice little number. We got some more videos from Gearbest coming up. Various stuff. So stay tuned, guys. Please keep watching, and thanks for stopping by. Catch you next video.